So the doming exercise that we did here earlier, you've seen this video before. We want to take that a step further and start applying it into our calf raises. So how we do that is the same exact setup. I'll tie a band to a squat rack or the barbell and then place it around the big toe to really emphasize my pressure down through the big toe. Now again, it's not just the big toe that's important. We want to do this through all 5 toes and equally pressurize all of the knuckles of all 5 toes, but what we want to emphasize is the ability to maintain the arch through the calf raise. You'll see people perform calf raises all willy-nilly and flop their feet around and they'll lose their arch at the bottom of a calf raise. I want you to maintain that doming effect at the bottom of the calf raise before you ever initiate the lift up. And then when you lift up, I want you to maintain all 5 toe contact points. And then on the way down, you're going to go nice, slow, and controlled and maintain that doming effect as you lower the heel back down to the earth. We don't want to flop our foot inwards. We don't want our foot flattening out. We don't want to lose the integrity of our arch as we go back down to the earth and tap our heel. So this exercise helps reinforce what we did earlier from the doming exercise in the seated position. Now, an alternative to this, if you don't have a band or you can't find a place to do the setup of this exercise, is you can simply put a pen underneath your arch, and you just want to maintain as minimal amount of contact into that pen as possible as you go through your calf raise. So as you lift up, obviously the pressure will come up off the pen, but as you come back down to the earth, you want to minimize the amount of pressure into that pen while keeping pressure through the knuckles of the toe. You can also place a quarter underneath the knuckle of the big toe to really emphasize maintaining pressure of the knuckle down into the earth and not losing pressure there. It gives you some sensory feedback.